Hi, my name is Isis with Exchange Collectibles. I'm here with Jason.
Hey guys, how you doing? You might recognize me from my channel, Comic Crypto Stock.
We're going to be unboxing some of our exclusive comics that just came back from CGC. This is my first time doing this, so if I'm doing a good job, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe.
Hey guys, show her some love in the comments below. Hit that thumbs up if Isis is killing it on the unboxing.
Obviously am. But anyway.
Alright, so let's do this.
Okay. So
yep, just get into it.
okay.
Yeah guys, so this is the second batch to come back. And we got a whole bunch of different stuff in here, Rejected and some Achilles stuff and a whole bunch of stuff. I know there's been people waiting for all these, and we're going to get them processed and shipped out to you right away. Hopefully by the time you see this video, a lot of you guys already have your books.
Okay. We have our Rejected Volume 2, Mr. Teeth.
Massive rubber bands.
Yeah, no kidding. And we have 2 of those.
Cool, guys. This is a painted cover by Rob Hogan, and we still have to do our thing to him before we can ship him out to you. All right, another one of those.
And then we have our Achilles Virgin cover.
Sweet, Silvio DB did that one. We'll show you guys some close-ups of these at the end as well. All right, let's get into that big box.
Wow, okay. Wow, this is our exclusive for Rotten Tail. They actually made a movie about this.
Yeah, guys, this is some movie spec possible action. Movie's been out for a little bit. I haven't seen it yet, but I heard it's pretty funny. And let's see what else. This is limited to 100 copies, guys. The Virgin is limited to 50. And this one here is limited to 100.
Alright. This is a Plague Doctor. The art has been done by Stan Yak. And it's limited to 100 copies.
Yep, only 100 copies of this, guys. And it's got pencils and ink on the back cover. We'll show you some close-ups too. And only 15 of these are going to CGC. And there's still a couple left on the website.
Another Plague Doctor.
Plague Doctor.
Another Plague Doctor. Another Plague Doctor. And another one.
Order or something now. It looks like it, yeah.
Are they on order?
I don't know. They must have put them in order. Sometimes they put them in order, sometimes they don't. You never know.
Well, yeah, because there's a bunch of, like, the Plague Doctors are the same, and now there's a bunch of Achilles. Okay, so this is our Achilles ink, black and white cover, and the art was done by Silvio DB.
Guys, this is limited to only 25. And only 5 of these went to CGC. And the CGC 9/8s are all sold out, but there's still a couple of the raw ones that you can get on the website. And we'll put links to that down below, but exchangecollectibles.com.
Another one of those.
That's number 2.
Another one of those.
3. 4. So it looks like CGC put them in nice order this time. And 5.
Okay. This is the rejected Rob Hogan cover.
Yep, nice Game of Thrones homage there, guys.
And this is the same thing.
And 2 of those.
Okay. This one says... So this is the rejected, the unwilling number 2 Virgin cover.
Man, I really like this cover, guys. And if you didn't see on my channel, I was able to pick up the original cover for this. So I really love this one. Another one only limited to 100 copies, and I think 15 of them will end up being CGC 9/8s.
Here's another one.
And 2.
Another one.
And 3.
These things are really annoying. Okay. So this is the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
Another one.
4.
Another one.
5.
Another one.
6.
And another one.
7.
Up there. Another
Yep.
one of the Achilles ink.
Yep, it's another one of the Virgins. 2 of those. 3.
That's it.
And that's it, guys. Wow.
And we didn't get any rejects out of this, surprisingly. All 25s are 98s.
That's really awesome, guys. I haven't yet done that myself. I've went 24 for 25 and then actually taken that one reject and resubmitted it and got a 9/8 out of it. But wow, not a single reject. That's pretty impressive. All 25. Cool. So yeah, let's get you guys some close-ups of these things. And there's still some of these available on the website, exchangecollectibles.com. They're not all sold out. So here's Plague Doctor. Sorry if I can get rid of some of that glare for you. And on the back, it's got pencils and inks. There's Rotten Tail. And it's got inks on the back. Achilles ink, Virgin. In the back, it's got the concept art, which is kind of cool. Rejected number 2. Rob Hogan, Mr. Teeth variant. And it's got the original concept on the back. Rejected number 1, the Game of Thrones variant. I really like this. I'm a big Game of Thrones fan. And on the back, it's got the original concept for that one. Rejected Virgin cover. It's no surprise, I'm a huge fan of this cover. And I show off the original art on my channel, Comic Crypto Stock, if you guys want to check it out. And that's the pencils and ink from the original cover. Still a few of these left on the website, guys. Black and white Virgin for the Silvio DB. Only 25 of these covers were made. Only 5 of them went to CGC. The CGC 9/8s are unfortunately sold out, but you can still get these raw. There's a couple left.
Alright, thank you for watching. If you liked what you see, please give us a thumbs up. Social medias are linked down below. Visit our website if you want to purchase anything. I have to get more thumbs up than Raina did, so go to like this video. Please, thank you.